Have you think that you can use your laptop HDD into your Windows 11 PC by using an external case? If not, so let me show you in this video. We will use our laptop HDD or hard disk drive into our Windows 11 PC by using an external case. You can see, first of all, I have already unboxed it. Let me show you. This is external case. It's very simple. So first, simply open this body box, and after that, you can find a very simple circuit. So drag out from its body, and you can see very simple it is. So take your HDD and simply fit it into a circuit, and then simply fit it into its body, and then close it very simply. And you can find this port, and you will find a USB cable, or you can see this cable. And first of all, turn off its body, close its body, and then simply put its jack into its port. And the second USB jack into your Windows 11 system. First of all, turn on your system. You can see, my friend, and simply you can see my partition. There are 4 to 5 partitions of my hard and SSD. And let me just simply put this USB into your system, and you can see it will blink us while after a while. You can see my partition, my friend. It says 80 GB HDD, and you can see, my friend, the red color partition, and one other of blue, and you can see, and you can also opt out your HDD. And in this way, you can use your laptop HDD or hard disk drive into your Windows 11 system. And I hope you find helpful this video.